Hi, I'm Cara Graver at the Cobb Studio, and I'm going to show you how to increase knit stitches knitting front and back loops. So I have 12 stitches on here, and I'd like to increase 3 times. So I'm going to increase on the 4th stitch. I'm going to knit 3, and then here's where I want to increase. So I'm going to knit as though I'm knitting, and then I'm going to twist that around and go into the back of the stitch, and I have 2 stitches. I'll knit 3 more. 1, 2, 3, and I'll do it again. I'm going to knit as though I'm knitting, just regular, and when I pull it out and make that stitch, I'm going to go back and grab a little more from the back and make another stitch there. And I'll do it one more time. In, make the stitch, and make another. I'm Cara Graver at the Cobb Studio, and that was how to increase knit stitches by knitting in front and back loops.